You may have used various app lockers to lock apps on Android, but they make it obvious that you locked your apps because you either need a PIN or a fingerprint to unlock them. Well, this amazing Android hack allows you to lock any app without a password or fingerprint, making it look like you didn't even lock your apps in the first place. It comes in handy when you want to lock your WhatsApp or Instagram but don't want to make it obvious that they are locked. As you can see, as soon as the app is launched, it will return to the home screen instead of asking for an unlock method. You can lock as many apps as you want this way and act like you have no idea why those apps are inaccessible. To do this, you need an Android automation app called MacroDroid. Simply launch the app, go to Templates, search for App Lockout, add it to the macros and allow the required permissions. If it's your first time using the app, you get this pop-up asking you to give accessibility permission. Simply click OK, click Installed Apps and enable these two options, MacroDroid and MacroDroid UI interaction. Now get back to the app and add this app lockout template to macros. To lock your preferred apps, go to the macro section, tap on the macro, tap on the trigger section, tap on configure, double tap on the OK button, add the apps you want to lock without a password and save the changes. You can add as many apps as you want. By default, your phone will be locked when you launch any of these selected apps. But if you just want them to return to the home screen instead of locking it, you can customize it. To do that, tap on the screen off action, tap on configure, change the option to screen on and save the changes. Now your phone won't be locked when you launch any of those selected apps. That's it. You can simply enable this macro before giving your phone to someone else, so they will neither be able to access the selected apps nor they will know that those apps are locked, because whenever they launch any of the selected apps, the apps will crash and return to the home screen. That's one subtle way to lock apps on Android without making it obvious. I hope you found the video informative. Like the video and comment down appreciating it if you have, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.